Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tips. Today we will be discussing how to force quit applications on your Mac. I'm going to show you multiple ways to do this, so let's get started. The first way to force quit an application is by going to its icon on your dock. From here, you want to right-click on the application to bring up the menu. Once you see the menu, press and hold the Option key on your keyboard. You'll notice the options change. All you need to do is click on the Force Quit option, and the application should exit. The second way to force quit an application is to use the Force Quit menu. To do this, click on the Apple logo in the top left corner of your screen. From there, click on the Force Quit option. Alternatively, you can use the keyboard shortcut Command plus Option plus Escape if you prefer. Once you're in the Force Quit menu, you should see all of your currently open applications. Just click on the application you want to force quit, and then click the Force Quit button. You might get a dialog box asking if you're sure. Just click Force Quit again, and the application should exit. The third way of force quitting an application is by using the Activity Monitor. To do this, go into Spotlight Search by pressing Command and Spacebar. Then, search for Activity Monitor, and open the app. Once you've opened Activity Monitor, wait for all the processes to load. This might take a few seconds. After they've loaded, click on the CPU tab at the very top. Now, you can search for the process you want to quit. If you can't easily find it, click on the search box at the top right and search for the application. For example, I'll use Safari. Find the Safari application, or whatever application you searched for, and then click on the X icon in the top bar. You'll get a dialog box asking if you want to quit or force quit. Just click Force Quit, and the application should exit. Once you've done this, you can quit out of Activity Monitor. So if this video was helpful, please leave a like. And if you have any questions or comments, you can leave them below. Thanks for watching Rome Tips.